This isn't just engineering. This is precision for care. This is DCTC-MED.
Now let's from what we see to what we breathe. Medical air systems are backbone of clinic environment. In critical care unit, clean air isn't just a comfort, it's survival. Every breath must be safe, steady, and clean. That's the silent role medical air system plays, protecting life, breath by breath. Behind every breath patient take is clean, stable air, delivered with confidence, because safety begins with every inhale. This system uses oil-free screw compressor to supply clean, dry air to patients. They run non-stop in hospitals, dental offices, and labs. And at the heart of this setup is the screw pump. It includes the fixed screw, operating screw housing, and sealing frame. Everything must be tightly aligned and precisely machined. Even the small deviation in the screw profile can reduce efficiency, increase heat, or lead to failure. And when the screw housing isn't accurate, it can lead to leaks, noise, or premature wear. We've seen units where the profile tolerance was off by just a few microns, and that was enough to compromise the seal. Another major concern is porosity in the inner cavity. If there are internal voids, the compressor can't maintain pressure on the load. It may pass all tests, but it won't hold up in the continuous operations. These parts also need to remain stable under high RPM, thermal cycles, and daily stress. That's why screw casting are among the most technically demanding components we produced. And that's where Sunrise brings its strengths in simulation, in tooling, and in high precision casting executions. Let's look at a real-world example. It began with a redesign. A leading global medical air system company was upgrading one of its screw compressor platform used in hospital and labs to deliver clean, dry air. At the center of that platform was a critical component, a screw housing with a complex spiral cavity, tight and enclosed. They had tried CNC machining. It worked technically, but it was too slow, too costly, and too wasteful for mass production. So they reached out to Sunrise, not for a quote, but for a solution. They asked, can this be cast with the same level of accuracy? Can it seal without porosity? Can it hold 0.0076 mm profile tolerance repeatable? We knew what that meant. They weren't asking for a part, they were asking for trust. Delivers through metal. So we built a plan. We ran mold flow simulations to understand the behavior of metal inside the cavity. We designed a hybrid process, vacuum die casting plus semi-solid filling. To minimize internal voids, we machined the screw profile on our high-precision Makino platform using customer pictures and process feedback to stay within microns. Was it perfect from the start? No. We tweaked the tooling, rerouted venting, rebalanced tooling, and through joint review with their engineers, we solved it together. And the outcome, a screw housing that holds pressure, maintains profile, and assembly exactly as designed, smoothly, reliably, without guesswork. Today, it's running in real hospital systems across North America and Europe, delivering clean air, breath by breath, day after day. For us, it wasn't just about tolerance, It was about proving that even the most complex profile can be casted with confidence. High precision compressor housing aren't easy to make at scale. That's where Sunrise delivers. Engineering your next precision part with us. With rich experience, precision machinery, and high-end measuring equipment, we deliver products of exceptional quality. Contact us today to discuss your needs.